Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Solution. Today I have got something super cool for you. The most useful run command in Windows that can save your time every single day. These are shortcuts to quickly open folders, apps, and system tools without digging through menus. So let's jump right in. To open Run tool, press Window and R on your keyboard. Then the Run tool will be open. Then we will type some commands here. First up, let's unlock some hidden shortcut to your folders. Type dot and enter. It will open your user folders. So you can access the folder on your users list. Or press two dots and enter. It will open the users folder. Type C, then colon, then enter. It will open the C drive directly. So you see it comes to this PC and C drive. Type shell colon desktop, then enter. It will open directly the desktop folder. Type person, then temp, then enter. This will open the temporary file folder, great for cleaning junk files. No more endless clicking, just with one command you are there instantly. Next, let's look at some commands to launch app instantly. So on the Run tool, if you type Notepad, then enter, it will directly open Notepad. If you type CMD, then enter, it will open the command prompt. If you have installed Microsoft Office, on the Run tool, when you type Excel, then enter, it will directly open the Excel app. For browsers, if you type on the Run tool Chrome, then enter, it will directly open Google Chrome. Here is the pro tip. You can launch almost any app by typing this .exe name here on the Run tool. Now here are some real power user commands for system tool and settings. If you type WinRAR, turn enter, it will display your Windows version. If you type task mgr, then enter, it will open Task Manager. So here you can close unresponsive apps and you can even monitor performance. If you type control, then enter, it will open control panel. If you type ncpa dot cpl, then enter, it will open manage your network connection. If you type ms infrastructure, then enter, you can see here your full system information including hardware and software specs. If you type ms tsc, then enter, it will launch remote desktop connection. If we type disk mgmt.msc, then enter, it will open disk management. These are super handy when you need to troubleshoot or manage your PC quickly. The good thing is here, you don't need to type the full command. While you start typing like disk, it will open the command that we have run before. So you don't need to remember the full command. You can select this and press enter. So there you have it. Powerful run commands you can use every day in Windows to open folders, apps, and system tools instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.